when you plan to start your hair business, the first important thing is find a reliable hair supplier, which must be you fully believe that no matter where in the world, they can send you and your customer high quality product. In the booming hair market, how can you get the best one from hundreds of hair suppliers? My name is Jasmine. I'm a sales manager from Good Hair Factory, and in this video today, I'm gonna tell you how to choose a reliable hair supplier. The first thing you should know is that a good hair supplier can supply you with the lowest wholesale price, which is not only save your cost, but also you can sell your hair to the end customer in the local retail store. Even when you wholesale to a salon or hairdressing school, you can get the most profit. The second thing you should know is that a good hair supplier can provide products with the quality assurance. Whether you are in bulk hair wholesale or a small amount of procurement, they can provide you with the best cost-effective product to ensure your customer satisfaction. One is a good hair supplier can supply you with a large number of products or personalized, customized product. When you have an order that exceeds the usual quantity or a product that needs to meet special needs of your customers, they should be ready for you at any time. The fourth thing you should know when you find a good hair supplier is a good hair supplier can deliver goods quickly and respond quickly, no matter when, except for manger. Please make sure they can respond you quickly when you need and place your order on time. The fifth thing is a good hair supplier can provide you direct delivery service. It will not only allow you to focus on the quality of product, it also help you save a lot of time. Last but not least, you need to choose a hair supplier who is not only interested in sending you an order, but also act as a supplier that your business partner can help you when you need it. If you are looking for a good hair supplier, then Good Hair must be your ideal choice. We are confident to be your great business partner and never let you down. Save costs and earn money is what we can promise to all our clients. Don't hesitate to contact me on my WhatsApp number over here to get the best deal. So, it's it for today. Thanks for watching.